Hi, everybody. My name is Alexandra Lance, or Alex, and this is my introduction for EDFN 530. So we'll start with work. I currently am a first grade teacher in the Central Dauphin School District. This is my fourth year teaching for Central Dauphin. I did 1 year teaching kindergarten, and then the past 3 years I've been teaching first grade, and I love first grade. I miss them so much in this new digital world. Um, this is a picture of what used to be my classroom here before we left. So the degree I'm going for is I'm currently pursuing my master's degree in assessment, curriculum, and teaching with a STEM education concentration. Whew, it's a mouthful. And what do I want to learn during this course? I always want to learn better ways to assess my students that are more applicable to the real world. Even at such a young age, I see what assessments do to my own students, and they're only 6 and 7 years old, and it already gives them anxiety. So I would just like to do those more real world assessments and not those paper or pencil tests and verbal tests. I would like to learn alternative instruction to reach all learners. And I think this course is extremely important in this new digital world because teachers now more than ever are looking for new ways to keep their students engaged in school, but also with fidelity and making sure that we are assessing and we are doing our instruction and it's aligned to the curriculum and we're not just cutting corners just because we're not in school anymore. So I think this course is going to be very valuable, especially now. And I can't wait to learn more, and I can't wait to learn more about everybody else.